Hi friends, this video shows how to enter into safe mode and debug issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First we need to restart the phone. Press and hold power button, then tap on reboot. Then again tap on reboot. Now phone is rebooting. So when we see Redmi logo, at that point we have to press and hold volume down button until we see safe mode. So now we can see Redmi logo. Press and hold volume down button. Please hold it, don't release. Now I can release. See, here we can see safe mode label. That means right now this phone is in safe mode. So this way we can enter into safe mode. In safe mode, phone loads only the default apps. It will unload all apps which we installed from Play Store. So it would be easy to debug issues. You can see only default apps are here. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.